Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Finder. Today, we're diving into a tool that could seriously upgrade your digital content, especially if you've ever taken a blurry photo or found an old picture that deserves a second life. We've all snapped something that looked great in the moment, only to realize it's pixelated, low res, or missing that sharp detail. But what if fixing those imperfections only took a few clicks? Meet 4D Dig Photo Enhancer, an AI-powered tool built to restore and enhance your photos and videos with minimal effort and impressive results. Whether you're touching up old family pictures, enhancing your social media visuals, or refining professional media, this software has you covered. First, download and install the software. You'll find the link in the description. Once it's up and running, you'll be greeted by a clean, user-friendly interface that makes the process simple and smooth, even if you're not super tech-savvy. The tool includes a variety of features, but let's start with the Photo Enhancer. Click on it, hit Add Photos, and choose the image you want to enhance. Whether it's an old scanned snapshot or a low-res image from the web, 4D Dig can handle it with ease. After uploading, you'll get to choose from several AI models based on what your image needs. General model, face model, denoise model. Let's try the face model first. Select your desired output resolution, click Enhance, and let the AI do its thing. Once it's done, the difference is clear. You'll see sharper lines, richer colors, and a much cleaner, more polished look. Next, you can try the general model, which enhances the overall sharpness, brightness, and vibrancy of your image. Again, just pick your resolution, hit Enhance, and compare the results. It's impressive how quickly and effectively it transforms a dull or soft image into something crisp and high quality. Lastly, there's the denoise model, which is especially useful for cleaning up grainy or noisy images. Perfect for those low-light photos or older scanned pictures, this model smooths out the noise while keeping important details intact. If you're also dealing with damaged media, like corrupted photos, videos, documents, or even audio files, its file repair tools are designed to recover and restore those files with just a few clicks. No deep technical knowledge required. With just a few simple steps, 4D Dig lets you restore and enhance your visual content like a pro, whether it's for personal memories or professional projects. It's fast, it's smart, and it takes the guesswork out of editing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss more AI-powered tools and tutorials right here on AI Finder. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.